In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your MetaPay account on your Facebook account. This is going to help you send stars and buy stuff on Facebook and send it to creators and the rest. So this is what you need to do. Open your Facebook account like this, and then you move to your settings. So we have to tap on our profile here, scroll to the bottom, and then we move to, you can see settings and privacy. Then we move to settings from this section. Good. On this section, what we are going to do is we tap on the account center here. Good. And you can see MetaPay here. Select that, and you can see I have no transactions here. I just tap on manage to add a payment method. So you can add your credit card or PayPal. When you tap on credit card, it brings you to this page. You see the page is blank because I'm adding credit card info. Good. After that, you are good to go. You can then go on and then purchase your stars and everything. You see the balance here. You can change your currency as well. Depends on the country you're inside. And then you can proceed to buy these stars and then share it to creators around the world. Yeah. So that's it on how you set up your MetaPay on your Facebook account. If you are new here, you give me a like. If you have any question, you let me know. Yeah. In the comment section. So that's it. Peace.